was while living and working in a conservative Mennonite colony setting from 2004 to 2009 that God opened our eyes to the tremendous need for spiritual resources in the heart language of the people. The Low German Bible had just been released, and we saw firsthand the huge impact it had on people when they could read and understand the scriptures. This prompted us to start translating songs and study materials into Plautdietsch. Since returning to Canada, God has continued to lead us in outreach to the Low German colony people. We started out singing with our 4 sons on a casual and part-time basis, both in English and in Plautdietsch. God then gave us an opportunity to record a CD in each language. It did not take long for the Low German CD to be circulated all over the Low German Mennonite world. Before we knew it, we were traveling throughout North and South America, sharing the gospel mostly through music, but also through preaching and lots of one-on-one contact with the people. We were again reminded of the power of sharing God's word in their own language, and the unique influence that music has on the hearts of so many of our people. It crosses cultural and religious boundaries in powerful ways. All of this led to more CDs being produced and the publication of a Low German songbook. In January of 2016, after much prayer, consideration, and consultation, we took a step of faith and went into this work full-time. We signed up with Multi-Nation Missions Foundation out of Abbotsford, BC, and the work has progressed from there. As our boys grew up and started their own life pursuits, they continued to work with us whenever possible, but ultimately we had to regroup and find a new way of doing things. We, Diedrich and Eddie, live in Rhineland, Manitoba, and continue a busy schedule of traveling, singing, and speaking. Often we go as a duet, but Jason, Matthew, and Mark help us out whenever possible. When we travel internationally or do longer tours in Canada, we are usually joined by our oldest son Andrew and his wife Deanna. They are both very gifted musically and are a huge blessing, especially to the younger generation. They too are full-time in this ministry, and when they are not traveling, they are doing their own music ministry in their home area of La Crete, Alberta. They also produce a weekly Low German radio program that is aired on various stations in North and South America. Besides continuing to write and translate songs and producing recorded music, our work also includes the production of printed resources, such as Low German family devotionals and Sunday school materials. Our goals as the Friesens are, first of all, to share the gospel with the world, especially the colony Mennonites of our heritage, and to see them come to saving faith in Christ. Secondly, we want to help them grow strong in their new faith, being deeply rooted in the Word of God. And thirdly, to help them reach the point where they can pass on that faith to others. We strive to produce quality resources that will help to accomplish these goals. We are so thankful for you, for your prayers, encouragement, and financial support that enables us to be involved in this kingdom work. You play a very important part in this ministry. By ourselves we can't do much, but working together in the strength of the Lord, much can be accomplished.